What's up, legends? Raise your hands if you used to think English grammar was boring.
Yeah, me too.
But today we are fixing that with a magical little phrase, used to. This expression helps to talk about something you did a lot in the past but you stopped. Means past habits, routines, even whole personalities that are different now. For example, I used to stay up till 4 am playing GTA in my childhood. I used to play cricket all day in my teenage. He used to teach at school. They used to be friends.
We used to be friends.
Yeah, used to be.
There used to be many cinemas in my town. In these examples, we talked about past habits, situations, and how the things were in the past, but they are no longer the same. Formula is easy. For such purposes, we follow this formula. To make negatives, follow this. For example, I didn't used to like vegetables. And to make interrogatives, follow this. For example, did she used to sing in school? In negative and questions, the D disappears and it becomes used to. Now talking about present habits and situations. For example, I am used to waking up early in the morning. They are used to traveling. They are used to hot weather. Did you notice in these examples we placed helping verbs is, am or are before used to following ing form of verb when talking about present habits or situations. To form negatives, just place not after helping verbs. For example, they are not used to buying from this market. For interrogatives, just place helping verb before the subject. For example, is he used to reading books? Now talking about something that is not your habit at the moment but becomes part of your life or routine. For this purpose, we place get after the subject. For example, I get used to taking coffee in winter. You can also place will before get to emphasize about the future. For example,
It's extremely hot here. How will you survive?
well, I'll get used to it. Or present continuous like I'm getting used to it. For bad habits, we use addicted to instead of used to. For example, he is addicted to smoking. Quick bonus for all my dear and genius art students. If you want to sound more natural and get higher bands in speaking, use this expression used to during speaking test. Examiners love it because it shows great grammar range and fluency. Here are some simple examples. If examiner asks you about your daily routine, you can respond like this. Well, I used to wake up very late, but now I am used to waking up early for work. At first, it was very hard, but now I am getting used to it. You can also use present perfect and say, I've got used to. In part 2 cue card, if the topic is to describe a change, you can say, my city used to be quiet and peaceful. Now it's much busier. I wasn't used to all the traffic, but I am slowly getting used to the new lifestyle. And finally, an example for part 3, when you are asked about your opinion, you can say, many young people used to play outside every evening, but nowadays they are used to spending time on their phones. See, simple but powerful. Just mix used to for past habits and be used to for present situations. Use it once or twice in your answers and you will instantly sound more natural and advanced. Try practicing these tonight to enhance your IELTS speaking. Now, as you have just cracked the secret of how to talk about habits, it's your turn to speak up. Follow the structures for present and past habits that I shared earlier and write as many sentences as you can. And share your sentences in the comments below. I'd love to see your creativity. And that's it for today's video. If you learned something valuable from this video, hit that like button, share it with your friends and subscribe to the channel. See you in the next video. Until then, keep learning, keep smiling and take care.